Hey everyone, going to take a couple minutes to explain what you need to do to complete Journal 5 for this week. Your prompt this week says, think of two people in your life to whom you are really close, two people you know very well. It could be parents, siblings, significant other, your children, close friends, coworkers, or anyone else that you know pretty well. You don't have to choose two people from the same category. You could choose a sibling and one of your kids, or a sibling and a friend. They don't have to be from the same category. Just choose two people to whom you are close, and then I want you to write about how these two people are similar or how these two people are different. All right? So you're going to compare and contrast these two people from your life. Okay? Be sure to focus on their similarities or their differences, not both. This could be a potential topic for writing assignment 2, compare contrast paragraph. And so I want you to kind of get in, already start thinking about how you want to focus your compare contrast, because you'll learn that it's not just, here's how these two things are similar and then here's how these two things are different. Who cares? What is interesting about that? Not much. You're just giving me information, which can be helpful, but I don't understand the purpose if that's all you're doing. So a good compare contrast will focus on either the similarities or the differences. You could say something like, let's say that you had, let's say you have siblings, or maybe, I don't know, cousins, maybe your own kids, and they're twins, right? You could say something like, obviously these two people, Jane and Jenny, seem very similar on the surface because they look exactly alike, but they could not be more different if they tried. And then you would explain 3 or 4 ways in which they're different. So that's what I mean by focusing on just one or the other, right? Or you might have two people in your life that on the surface seem really different, but once you get to know them, they're actually quite similar. And then you would focus on the things that they have in common. So choose two people that you know really well, and then the prompt, what you will write about, will be either how those two people are similar or how those two people are different. Try to give as many specific examples as you can. Again, this could be a potential topic for writing assignment 2, so the more ideas you get out now in the journal, the more you'll have to work with if you decide to use this as your topic for writing assignment 2. And remember, in my feedback for this journal, I'll even let you know if you had a good idea, if what you write for this journal could work for writing assignment 2. So use it as an opportunity to practice the comparing and contrasting and coming up with possible ideas for that formal writing assignment. Remember to set your timer for 8 to 10 minutes and try to type nonstop till the timer goes off, even if you start to go off topic. But more than likely, if you're choosing two people that you know really well, you probably have a lot to say about them, and you'll probably get enough written to make it a good journal. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, it's due Sunday at 11:59.